in this video we'll learn how to make a simple slider using Slider Revelation 6. Cover like we'll create similar type of slider, and I will tell you how you can create for you. Okay, so let's get started. So if you notice here this slider, then you'll see here a simple slider, and also here an image, and here also an image, here a simple button, and here tell me only for $3.99 something. I'll just go to here my backend and go to this Slider Revelation button. I'm just click on this button, and here as you can see some option are present there. So we are creating from scratch, that's why I'm just creating here like this. Okay, so they are now telling us some like a guide, so we don't need any kind of guide. I just crossed here, and here as you can see basically this is the slider, and here the slider like front end. Okay, so now the slider front end this. So first we just need to change here like the layout. Okay, so how you can change the layout? So here the options, some option like the layer, the gallery, here the option, and here the like the setting. So click on the setting and go to here this title. So if you want to change this title, like the slider title, you can easily change here. So I'm just change here the title simple slider, and here the layout. So I go to this layout, and which type of slider you want to create, like scenes or carousel or any kind of. So you can select here, and here the width. So it's very important to create a width. So I just go to here to change this. I just change it to 600, and again, so when I select the 600, that time it's automatically create something like this. So I just change it to create like 600. So if I want to create like this custom width of this laptop version or iPad version or phone version, just simply click on this on button. Okay, so when you click on this on button, then automatically create a simple width. So you can change here the width. Okay, so I just change it to 500 pixel, and here the another option I would like to change here height now 720 pixel. Okay, so here there's some option, so we don't need to any kind of change up there. So I just go to this layer, and we just need to change here the layer color. So we don't need to any kind of, I don't want to change here any color up there. So I just click on this add button and go to this image and WordPress library, and I just go to this website, and I click mouse right button and save this image in my PC. So it's now saved, and install then download the second photo. So go to my website again, like this website backend, and here we just need to upload here the two file. So I already uploaded here the file. Simply I just select here the girl, wow girl, and it's now done. And if I scroll down there, then you'll see the total width about my like this width and the front end width. So it's looking nice. I think it's looking nice. Okay, so now I just need to add here the another photo. Go to here, click on this image, and select the second photo, insert, and I just drag and drop there. Go to here again, and I just need to input here the bumper offer. So add text quick headline. So here the automatically select, so select here the Roboto or Puffin. So I selected the Roboto and increase the size, and double click on there or cross here, click on content, and then you'll see the text. So I just want to change into like, okay, so it's now looking good, and I just need to add here with GPL license. Okay, go to add text, here the headline, select here the Roboto, and cross these, go to content and change it to. Okay, so now it's looking like this. So we just need to change here the color, and also we just need to change here the font like size. So go to style, and here as you can see the title. Okay, so I think this is okay. So first change here this AA font icon into light, and then you'll see it's now looking something like this. Go to this color, change it to black. Okay, select the font size into puffin. Okay, so when I select here the 6, then you'll see it's looking like this. I just input 26, or you can resize this. Okay, so you can easily resize here the text. So I just resize here the text, and alright, or you can increase this image, also the other text. So I just resize the Elementor Pro and go to here, double click on this title, not other, the title, and go to this color and change it to black, and go to this puffin, change it to the font family puffin, and change it to 700 bold. Okay, let me check which color he used it there. So he used black, something like black, not black, something like black. Okay, so okay, it's looking good. So I just need to add here one button. So hover on add layer and click on button, and here's the button design. So I just select here the design like this, and drag and drop here the button. So now, and we just need to add to one thing. It's only $99, something like this. So I just drag and drop there and go to here, add headline, add a new text layer, and select Roboto. Go to content again, change it to only. Okay, so it's go to here the style, change it to black, or if you want to change it any other color. So I don't want to use here any other color. I think black is best. Go to puffin and change it to, okay, 5 is best, 500 is best, I think. Okay, I just want to show here the middle, and go to this like this button and double click, go to this content, select button, go to content, then you'll see that text. So shop now. Okay, now it's looking good. So we are now we are using the action like animation. So I just click on this text first, go to animation, and here the animate now and out. Okay, so now if I check on there, now no. Okay, so here the design, just in, click on this in, then you'll see the design, custom, and pop up, rotate. Okay, so I think that this is best. Is smooth, pop up is smooth. That means when someone will, if I click on there, then you'll see it's now looking this. Okay, so I just click on this image and go to this in, change it to smooth or any other. Okay, so I just need to click on this next layer. So if I resize this, then you'll see the other text. So basically this text 3, go to in. Okay, I just select here this and go to this image 2 or image 1. Basically this is image 1. Okay, and in. Okay, so basically this is image 1. So image 0 in. So I just want to add a slider. Okay, I think this right is passed, and save. It's now saving. Okay, it's now saved. If I click on this play icon, I just want to add any other something like any other slide animation. So go to this, click on this shop now button, stop here the animation. In out, I just want to add the rotation or slider. The left, I think the left is best. Click on this only for, click on in. Okay, so I just want to change one thing, the like this shop button. I go to in again, and left is best, I think. And everything looking smooth. And I just want to add the bumper offer into top, in, long and top. Okay, and if I click on this play icon, and then see it's looking something like this. It's a very simple slider. I just click on the save button. Okay, so I just want to change here the if you want to change the background, you can easily change there. So how you can change, I just click on the, I just select the color code, the background color code, and go to here slider, click on the setting, and select the source, change it to image, or if you want to add any kind of image, you can easily add here. So I just want to add here the color, so click on color and paste here the color code up there, and click on it. Also, if you want to add any kind of specific color, any other color, you can easily add there that thing. Okay, so I think the red color is looking good, or this color, it's looking good. I don't know how it's looking. I think this color is looking good. So I just drag it to center. If you not select here, or if you cannot select here, you can easily select everything from there. Here the some layer. Okay, so it's looking good. If I click on this preview to check how it's looking, then you'll see it's now looking something like this. And if I go to this PC version, sorry, the PC version, it's now looking something like this, and go to this tab version, it's looking like this. And if I open to the phone version, then see the hook like this, the blank space, and here something like this. So I don't want to show here something like this, so I just go to here like this option, and first click on this notebook, click on there, and then you'll see we just need to change here. So if I change this layout, it will be looking responsive. I think I go to this setting, click on layout, and go to this like width. I just want to change here something like 550. Let's check how it's looking. I just select here 550, then it's looking something like this. So I want to change it to 520. Okay, and now it's looking good. I changed the layout. Okay, now everything looking good. I just go to the next tablet like next slider. So I just changed the layout also. I just changed the layout also like 4, and it's now good. I think it's looking good. Now it's looking well good. Go to this phone version to see, and I just change it to 320. I change it to 250. Okay, now it's looking something like this, and I just resize the photo and change everything. Okay, we don't need to change anything else up there because it's automatically responsive. I just click on this save button and go to this preview. Then you see it's the notepad version. Go to this phone version. The phone version will looking something like this. Okay, everything looking good. I think it's a very simple slider. I hope guys you can do this, or you can create something like this. So if you create or using slider revelation, you will get something a problem. You cannot resize the photo, like background photo. Recently I got the same issue when I use the background photo in this background, like this color background. I cannot resize the photo. So that time I use an tricks. Basically I use the photo in this add layer. I add an image and I use the background photo, and that time it's working as well, and I can easily resize everything. Okay, and here all layer are present there, and here the photos, and here the progress time, everything are present there. If you see or notice here, then you'll see everything are present there. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, just click on this like button and tell me about your opinion. If you're new here in my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thank you.